So hello guys, I'm Santosh Reddy, an AIML engineer. In this video, I will walk you through the code behind my personal landing page, explaining how the HTML, CSS and JavaScript come together to create a dynamic and interactive experience for you all. So guys, as you have seen my landing page, now it's time for the explanation of the code. So here is my project structure. There is an index.html file, and there is a style.css file for the colors and the styling, and there is a utils.css for our colors and the font, and the timer.js for the functionality we are using in our landing page. So now let's start with the HTML. This is the backbone of the landing page, providing the structure and content. We begin with the head section, where we include the metadata, links to CSS files and JavaScript scripts. The main content is housed within the body tag, where you can see here body, and which is divided into different sections like the header, main, content and the footer. Now in the header section here you can see in the header section here and all, you can see we have the navigation bar with link to the different sections of the site. The main section includes the content such as the video background, timer and project descriptions. Finally, our footer provides a copyright notice about our copyright HTML file. Now it's time to move to the CSS styling, style.css file. So now here, this file is very responsible for the visual styling of our page. For example, the .video background class is used to style the background video, where you can see here video background in the .video background, which is used to style the background video, making sure it covers the full section. The .buttons class, where you can see in this .css file, it is used for the call to action buttons to make them stand out. And now we can also see the styling of .video background, .buttons, .navbar and other classes which are there in the style.css file. Now we also use responsive design techniques to ensure the page looks good on all devices. The media queries in the CSS help adjust the layout for different screen sizes, where you can see here there is a media queries in the CSS thing, where you can adjust all the sizes in the thing. So this is all about the css.style file. So let's go on to the next thing. So guys, finally the JavaScript adds the interactivity to the page. The timer.js file contains the code for the countdown timer. This script calculates the time remaining until a specified date and updates the timer, displays every second. And we also used the countdown date set interval function and the logic for updating the timer. So we use the set interval function here to repeatedly update the timer every second. It calculates the remaining time by comparing the current date and time with the target date. When the countdown reaches 0, the timer displays expired. Here we have set the timer date to July 31. I have just set it for fun, like it's a deadline for my Head Starter Fellowship project task. So I have set it to July 31. So you can use this function for many other projects, like if there is any product page that a product is in sale and it is in limited time. So you can use this function, which is the timer function. So now we will uploaded our project in the GitHub, and we used GitHub pages to deploy our website. As it is a simple HTML, CSS, JS website, we used GitHub pages. So now this is the link for our landing page. Now we are going to the landing page. So see, so here all these elements work together to create a seamless user experience. We have seen our HTML, CSS and JS. The HTML provides the structure and the CSS handles the styling, and the JavaScript adds dynamic features. Testing in different browsers and devices ensures everything functions as expected. So now we can focus on our landing page main functions, that is view projects and contact me. This is the main objective of our landing page. So here when you click this view projects button, it will automatically goes to our GitHub profile page, where you can see our popular repositories or all the repositories that I have done in my career. And now if you press this contact me button, you will get to a Google form where you can ask me any questions. You can fill here your name and you can ask me any question if you want to connect with me. So thank you for watching this overview of my landing pages code. For more details or to get in touch, visit my site or connect with me on LinkedIn. See you next time guys. Subscribe to my channel.